Hey guys, and welcome back to Sarsee Beauty, where everyone at every level is welcome to be beautiful. Today we are doing a little bit of blue and yellow vibes for the last moments of summer. And I'm starting off with the Lancome Hydrazen Moisturizer and then going in with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. And this is like my favorite primer to put a barrier between your makeup and your skin. And then for a little eye cream care, I'm using the Tatcha Pearl Tinted Eye Cream. And it's a little bit darker for my skin, but I feel like it counteracts my dark circles. And then for foundation, I'm using the Kat Von D Shade and Light. And this is a lot lighter than I was expecting. I usually have a hard time finding a foundation light enough for my skin, and this was like too light and too full coverage. And for eyes, I'm using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. And this is a nice way to make your makeup last all day, especially if you're going to take the time for eyeshadow. And to set the base, I'm going to use the Kat Von D Shade and Light. And this matte white shade is called Latest. And this matte white just sets a base for the rest of the colors to come. And for the crease, I'm going into a matte taupe, and this is in Samuel. And if you guys know what these colors represent, if it's like a light and darkness thing, or what they actually represent, you should let me know. And just blending that out in the crease, and then deepening up with a little bit darker brown, and this is in the color Solace. And I'm still leaving the lid highlighted so we can add glitter and more color in the center. And to whiten up the center, I'm using the Kat Von D White Out Concealer. And this is my favorite way for to have a base for glitter or any kind of bright colors I'm going to add on top. And I'm dipping into the Urban Decay Electric Eyeshadow Palette. And this is so sad that it's not available anymore, unfortunately. But I'm taking a light blue shade, and this is in the shade Gonzo, all over the lid. And then also taking the darker blue shade, and that is Chaos. And because I never have enough color, I dipped into the Huda Color Obsessions palette, and they don't really have names, so I dipped into the darker kind of blue and dipped that in the outer corner to kind of create more depth to the eye. And then just blending out the brown some more so it looks blended and nicely put together. And for the eyeshadow glitter, I'm going into the Stila Glitter and Glow, and this is in the shade Into the Blue. It reminds me of Lana Del Rey. Anyone else? I'm going into the lighter metallic blue from the Huda palette. I can never honestly have enough glitter, to tell you the truth. And then I learned a trick from Tanner from Sephora. If you take a little eye cream and wipe away any excess. And for concealer, I'm dipping into the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Fair and highlighting under the eyes and down the nose and kind of on the chin, I guess. And this is to help highlight those areas, and those are also kind of problem spots for me. And then I'm setting the whole foundation and concealer with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. And then I went in under the eyes with a bright yellow. I felt like the two contrasting colors were really fun for summer and just really fun and bold looks. I'm just taking a little bit of black eyeliner, kind of smudging that out in the lid. And this is in the Makeup Forever Black. I got this for a sample. And for brows, I'm using the Essence Make Me Brow Mascara Brow Gel. And this is in Brownie Points. And I like to take the gel and then go in with a pencil to define the look more. Going in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light. And I'm going in with the lighter side of the contour, and that shade is Sombre. And I'm chiseling out the cheeks and then down the chin to kind of define, and then down the nose to make it appear slightly smaller. And then down the center of the nose, you're gonna have a little bit of light to like create highlight and bring your face forward. So anything that you want to diminish, you want to bring shadow, and anything you want to bring forward in your face, you want to use light. For blush, I am using the Pink Passion Anastasia Beverly Hills Trio. Drawing out those eyebrows with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Ash Brown. And for highlight, I'm using the Fenty Killawatt highlight, and this is in the shade Sandcastle and Mint Mojito. These are really nice highlights because they're so poppin' and bright and really colorful. And for mascara, I'm using the Buxom Lash Mascara. I liked this so much at first, but then it dried out extremely quickly. And for lip liner, I'm using the Buxom Lip Liner in Stealth. And for lipstick, I'm using the Tarte Lip Paint in Salty. And for perfume, to finish off the look, I'm using the Blue Azure. This is really tropical and kind of zesty and really fresh, honestly. And that completes this kind of summer vibes, last moments of summer tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry it's been so long since the last tutorial, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.